to all of you. I am Samriddhi Bhardas from class 7th, and today I am with my class fellow and co-host Avni Rana,
and we are going to present the latest happening in Sunrise campus. The school reopened after summer break on 3rd of July. There was an opening meeting of school staff along with special workshop on the topic enhancing teacher presence and effectiveness.
The spokesperson was Dr. Reema Pant, the Professor Director at the Center for Idea, Innovation and Environment at Krapikera Hill University. In this workshop, Dr. Pant gave a great knowledge to the teachers about managing the classroom in a better way and developing healthy relationship with students and colleagues.
The students were welcomed back to the school. The teacher welcomed them in different ways.
They were asked about the way in which they spend their vacations in or outside the city. They were involved in different activities to make their first day memorable in the school.
The hard work of both students from class 10 and 12 of 2023 to 2024 batch was appreciated at the university, which in association with Amar Ujala facilitated them in auditorium of Survey of India with medal and certificate.
The school saluted the spirit of green earth and celebrated the famous festival Harela. There was a special program in the school auditorium in which the students of class 11 conducted an informational skit about the importance of the festival along with cultural dance performance and motivational poem.
July is an important month as it marks the Founders' Day on 20th of July. This year, the school made the day memorable by not restricting it to a day but celebrating it as a weekly celebration.
First in the line, we had inter-house English debate that was conducted in two categories, junior and senior, where the junior category consisted from participants class 6 to 8 and senior constituted from participants class 9 to 12. Ojas Bist of class 6 from Pratap House was the winner speaking for the topic, and Indu Parswan of class 8 from Vikramaditya House took the top position speaking against the topic private tuition should be banned.
In senior, Shivendra Thani from Ashoka House of class 9th and Namakshi Adheria from Pratap House of class 9th were the winners. Shivendra spoke for the topic and Namakshi spoke against it. Their topic was the language should not be a barrier to imparting our knowledge. In the inter-house Hindi debate, the participants spoke for and against the topic. College की डिग्री सफलता का मापदंड है. The participants spoke exceptionally and were appreciated by judges and audience. But eventually, Vikramaditya House proved the best of all, and Raji Gupta of class 7th and Anand Thapa of class 8 were the winners. Anand Thapa spoke for the topic and Raji Gupta against it.
Other than folk dance, Founders Week also showcased inter-house Western dance competition, where the participants danced to the tune of famous English number and completed the audience to tap their feet. In this particular competition, Vikramaditya House once again stole the show and took away the winner trophy, while Pratap House was on the runner-up spot. Now the news from the world of sport. A chess competition was played in 3 categories, under 12, under 14 and under 19 for both boys and girls. In under 12 category, Pooram Negi of class 4th from Pratap House beat Shiv Shobhit Prakash of class 4th B from Ashoka House to take hold in the champion spot in the final.
In girls category, Garima Singh Best of class 5th from Ashoka House get the better of Vaibhavi Gosaini, her class fellow from Vikramaditya House, and become the champion.
In under 14 category, Arhan Ali of class 8th and Aditi Prakash of class 8th representing the Shivaji House came out as the winners. In the final beating, Ansh Shaki from Ashoka House and Anushka Bist from Pratap House, both the runner-ups too were from same class.
In final category, that is under 19, Saurabh Banwal of class 12 from Shivaji House grabbed the champion medal, while in girls, Hansika Chauhan of class 9th from Ashoka House won the final. Priyanshu Manwal of class 12 and Sohani Pal of class 9 were the runner-ups. Both represented the Vikramaditya House.
That's all from Sunrise Academy News. Thank you.